Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 1LT in black on black interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. So I've got the Targa top out, so here it is. It's color matched to the car. And if we pull this up on this side and over on here, it does swing. It's on hinges there. We've got a front license plate mount here that will be installed for you, and we'll close that up. Close the trunk. The trunk is soft close, so it just pulls itself in there. We've got the nice Z51 style spoiler on the back. We've got the quad exhaust NPP, so it's got the NPP performance dampers on there. It also has an upgraded headers back exhaust. We also have the stock exhaust as well for it. So very cool. It's functional NPP with a high performance exhaust as well. So awesome car. So we'll just slide around. Here's your rear wheel. So we've got nice Michelin tires on there. We've got the Corvette Racing logo center cap there. We've got green calipers and the nice slotted rotors there as well. And there's also 1-inch spacers that can be removed if you don't want them, but there's a spacer there between the wheel and the hub, which gives it that nice wide stance look. Up here on the top, we've got carbon fiber or carbon fiber look louvers or covers for the louvers. Looks cool. And then we've got carbon fiber look skirts that look really, really sharp on the bottom there. So on the passenger door, we've got the nice baseball stitching on the leather. We've got the Bose stereo. We've got the electronic door release, power windows, power locks, and have a look at the kick plate. It's in great shape as well. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. The condition is really, really good on this seat. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's have a look. So we've got the original window sticker, we've got the books, the oil tube there as well, so that's perfect. And then up here we've got passenger temperature control, outside temperature display, and then we've got the nice baseball stitching that goes across the dash as well. So it looks great. So I'll just hop out. We'll have a look down this side here. So the car looks great. It's got nice deep tinted windows. We've got the Corvette Racing logo there as well. And here's your Grand Sport logo up here with the carbon flash metallic on the insert and your front wheel. And again, 1-inch spacers, green calipers, in nice Michelin tires with the Corvette Racing center caps. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower. And then we've got a cold air intake added here as well. And that's all paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. So lots of power, lots of fun. And we'll just close this guy up. So on the hood, we've got the Corvette Racing logo there as well. Looks cool. And we've got the front splitter as well. So there's a little bit of marks here on the front. We'll do our best to touch them up on that lower splitter there. But I just want to point them out to you. They are there. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic on the insert there on the hood. We've got the projector HID headlights with LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals as well. Very sharp looking car. Here's your front wheel. Again, no curb rash, looks good. Green calipers, nice Michelin tires, 1-inch spacers, and those Corvette Racing logos. And same thing back here. Looks great. And here's the louver on this side with the Corvette Racing logo on the window there as well. So on the driver's side, we've got the kick plate, Corvette, looks good. A few minor little marks on it, but that's what it's there for. On the door, we've got power windows, power locks, power door release, Bose stereo, and again, the nice baseball stitching. And we'll have a look at the seat. So we've got power seat there as well. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. All right, so let's get in and fire this one up. So it's got a nice carbon fiber inlay on the steering wheel, which looks really cool. And let's start it up. Nice bark to it. So we've got 9,536 kilometers on it, so nice and low. track change here, volume controls here, voice command and telephone controls, and then the arrow keys work your dash here. So info, performance, audio, phone, nav, options. So that controls that there. You've got paddle shifters here, so your minus and your plus up here. We've got headlight controls on here. We've got our wiper control on that side. And over here is your push button start. We've got behind screen storage, so that's there. So you've got audio, phone, projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You've got OnStar navigation. If we go settings, drive mode, we can show you that the NPP works. So you can hear the nice bark to it right now. If we put it on stealth, quiets it right down. So we'll put it back to track. Sounds great. And then down below we've got our dual zone climate control. So there's the driver's temperature, and they're in sync right now. And again, if the passenger adjusts on the right side, they can change their temperature. Here's your 8-speed automatic shifter with a nice baseball stitching on the leather wrap boot. We've got a 12-volt socket here. We've got cup holders here, electronic parking brake, and then mode selector. So as I turn the mode selector, we've got touring, sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring. And then in the center armrest here, we've got 2 USB ports, a line in, and a 12-volt socket. So let's hop out with it running and have a listen. Nice bark to it. What a machine. Here it is from the front with the headlights on. And we'll just scan down the side here. Looks great. Listen to that, Chuck. What a machine. There you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 1LT with the performance exhaust and intake, wheel spacers, and green calipers. Here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.